Hey guys and gals, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about my different types of consultation services that I offer. Basically, I have three different types of services that I provide. The first being email consultations, the second being Skype consultations, and the third being resume, cover letter, and reference services. So basically, for the email consultations, you can send off 5 questions max, and then you get a 500-word response from me. And that's actually the most affordable option that I have. Most of my clients do prefer that one as it's the most affordable option, and that's only $47. And email consultations are by far the most affordable option for cash-strapped individuals, especially for you teachers who are just moving abroad. They are quick, to the point, and definitive. Once you pay for and book an email consultation with me via my website, you will pay on PayPal. You will receive a message from me instructing you to send me your 5 questions. You will then reply with your most important questions that you need answering, and I will get the answers within 500 words back to you within the specified time frame, which is usually around 12 to 24 hours. Then we have Skype consultations, which you have 2 options of 30 minutes, which is only $97, or 1 hour for only $197. Basically, during your 30-minute or 1-hour Skype consultation, you'll be given the chance to ask me any questions you may have and get the best advice and secret tips on how to get rich teaching English. And for whatever you would like to ask me in order to prepare yourself for teaching English abroad or to get some private lessons. Once you book your consultation service with me, I will be in touch with a confirmation email and then give you a specified time that I will call. I do call you. You don't need to call me. Just make sure you do have a Skype account and a clear and stable internet connection. And the third option I have is cover letter, resume writing, and reference service. That's $297 for a one-time, one-page resume, cover letter, edit, revamp, and reference. And with this, I'll basically expertly and perfectly edit or revamp your resume cover letter for only $297. I will specifically redesign, reformat your cover letter or resume to comply with any teaching job or other job if necessary. That way you're sure to get the job providing you ace your interview, of course. You can just send me a message on my contact form once you pay, and then I will be in touch with further instructions. Do keep in mind that you should already have a base cover letter and resume. I will not write out your cover letter and resume for you. My job is only to simply redesign and reformat it and make it perfect. Don't worry about me correcting your resume if you're a native speaker, of course, because a lot of you guys don't have the time and you need, of course, somebody to look at it and perfect it who's an expert. For references, I will allow you to use my name, contact info, and etc. to be used as a reference for your resume and or any teaching job or any other job that you are applying for abroad. You may also be allowed to have your prospective employers contact me directly via phone or email on a case-by-case basis. That's included in the price as well. Just send me a message on my contact form once you pay, and then I will be in touch with further instructions. Do keep in mind, guys, for my consultation services, all bookings can be made via my website through PayPal on my consultations page. Also, keep in mind, turnaround time for my Skype consultation sessions, cover letter, resume, and reference services is usually anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, as I do get a high amount of bookings from guys and gals around the world on a daily basis. So it will require a bit of a wait, however, usually around 24 to 48 hours max. If you do also require an emergency service or booking, do contact me on my contact page and I'll get in touch as soon as I can. To protect your privacy and confidentiality, and also to ensure that you get the best advice and secret tips as possible, all Skype consultation sessions, resume services, and references are done by me and me only. This is a one-man operation, folks, so do keep in mind it could take some time, but that time's usually anywhere from 12 to 48 hours. Okay? Thanks. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome videos from me. Also, if you haven't gotten the book yet, do get it. It's worth it. Peace out.